Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best sangria. To begin, select a dry red or white wine as your foundation, about 1 standard bottle. Next, gather fresh, ripe fruits such as oranges, lemons, and apples, roughly 2 cups total. You'll also need a sweetener like sugar or honey, about 1/4 cup, and a spirit such as brandy or orange liqueur, around 1/2 cup. These core ingredients are crucial for building a delicious and balanced sangria. Once your ingredients are ready, wash and slice all your fruits into uniform bite-sized pieces. Aim for about 2 cups of prepared fruit. Next, combine these sliced fruits with your chosen sweetener, perhaps 1/4 cup of sugar, in a large pitcher. Allow this mixture to macerate for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step helps the fruit release its natural juices, intensifying the flavors for your sangria. Now it's time to bring everything together. Pour your bottle of wine and about 1/2 cup of brandy or orange liqueur over the macerated fruit. Stir the mixture gently to ensure all ingredients are thoroughly combined. Then, refrigerate the sangria for a minimum of 2 to 4 hours. This chilling period is essential, as it allows all the wonderful flavors to meld beautifully, creating a truly harmonious and delicious drink. When you're ready to serve, pour your perfectly chilled sangria over ice, garnishing each glass with fresh fruit slices. For a lighter, effervescent touch, consider adding a splash of sparkling water or soda just before serving. Remember, sangria is highly customizable. Feel free to experiment with different fruit combinations, wine types, and adjust the sweetness or alcohol content to perfectly suit your personal taste. Enjoy your homemade sangria.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.